Hi everyone, in this video you will know about aggregate function in SQL. So what are aggregate functions? An aggregate function performs a calculation on set of values and return a single value. Mean, max, sum, average, distinct, count, these are all aggregate functions. So this is a syntax for it. Select, you have to write aggregate function in the bracket column name from table name. So here what it will do is minimum it will find the smallest value or minimum value, max it will find the largest value in a column or maximum value, sum it will calculate the total sum in a column, average means it will calculate the average value or the mean value, distinct it will eliminate the duplicate and provide the distinct value across the column, count it will count total number of elements in a column. So we will see practically one by one how it works. I just pasted the syntax over here. You can see select aggregate function bracket column name from table name. So I will just fetch all the records from the employees table. Now I will apply aggregate functions on a salary column. So we'll see. Here I am applying main aggregate function select main in bracket salary from employees. So it will find minimum salary from employees table. You can see 2100 is the smallest value in the salary column, so it will provide the minimum value. I'll just show you. This is the salary column. I will just sort this. 2100 is the smallest value and 24,000 is the largest value. So I will just find max value now. Select maximum salary from employees table. Select max bracket salary from employees. So 24,000 I'm getting here. This is the largest value in a column. Now if you want to calculate the sum of all the salaries listed over here, then you have to apply the sum aggregate function. Select sum salary from employees. So it will calculate the total sum in a salary column. I will just write here. Now we will see count aggregate function. So what count aggregate function does is it will count all the elements in a column. It means it will count how many values elements are there in a salary column. So we will just run this. You can see there are 107 elements in a salary column. I will just write over here. In the same manner, if we want to count the rows in a table, so how we will do is we will count the rows with the count function, right? So I'll just show you. This is the employee table. So if I will select all the rows, control plus A, you can see all rows, 107 rows are there. Other method is right click on it, just count rows. In the same manner, if you want to count the elements in a salary column, you can apply the function count and you can count the elements. Now we will see average function. So this will calculate the average value in a salary column, or you can say mean value. So how it will calculate is if you will do this calculation sum divide by count, so you will get the average value, right? Average is equal to sum divide by count. If you will do sum, we got 691416. If you will divide by the count, you will get this average value 6461.8317. So this is how you can apply the average function and you can get the average value in a particular column. Now we will see distinct function. So what distinct function does is it will eliminate all the duplicate value and it will give only the distinct values in a salary column. So you can see you are getting total 58 rows, right? So here it will discard the duplicates and it will give only the distinct value, unique values it will provide in a salary column. So out of 107 rows, we are getting 58 rows. So we have covered all the aggregate functions in this video: mean, max, sum, average, distinct, count. If this video is really helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.